morning, my loving YouTube family, and welcome back to Vlogmas. I'm going to have my breakfast now, so I'm having obviously a half-boiled egg. I shouldn't have this all the time because I'm going to get fed up of it, but I was really craving it this morning. So I'm having a half-boiled egg, fresh white bread. I love fresh white bread. Amma goes and gets it from the bakery and it's just amazing. Matt has work today, tomorrow and the day after, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to order his main... Amma's phone again. Okay, so I'm going to order his main Christmas present today and I'm going to get it sent so that it will be delivered tomorrow. Then I can wrap it up and put it under the Christmas tree. I'm also going to get Baxter removed. Look at him. I'll show you guys. Hold on, he's kind of stuck in my... Look at him, he's so thin. Can you see? Like, so when I first got him, he was a big bubble. Now you can see he's so thin, right? He's like a little... He's just a line. Yeah, he's just a line now, so he's ready to be removed. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to bake 3 banana breads now because I've got some ripe bananas. I'll show you. So my bananas are very ripe, so I'm going to make 3 banana breads, drop 1 off to my sister and 2 off to my aunties. And yeah, the only thing I can do is banana bread, so I'm going to do that. Hello? Oh yes, speaking.
Calling from Vlogmas Hospital.
Oh, hello, hi.
Hello, yes, is now a good time to talk
Yes,
to you?
sorry about earlier.
Sorry, I'm calling you at about time.
Machine's not working, but we figured out that it's the fuse that's gone off, so the electrician's coming later on today. Yeah, so we baked 3 banana breads. I know we could have done the measurements all in one go, but I've done that before and the banana breads just didn't turn out right, so I did 3 separate kind of measurements. It did take a little bit longer, but we've got all the time in the world, so it was nice. Salama, was it easy peasy?
Easy peasy.
Banana bread's easy peasy to make. If you want, I'll leave the ingredients, like the measurements down below. You can just put it all in one bowl and just mix and it's just done. It's just done. Friend Fat's got me these bottoms and they're the most coziest bottoms ever. Can you guys see on there, I don't know if you can, there's got like little rose gold stars and moons and it's just super cute. I need to ask my friend where she got it from because it's so cozy, like the material's so nice, really soft. She knows me so well, she knows I like being cozy all the time. This was part of her like Christmas present that, you know, we did the exchange, you guys would have seen in that video. Would you guys like to see what I got for Christmas video? I did it last year. Last year, all the presents that I kind of showed you guys was actually from Matt. I think I showed 1 present from a friend. What I'll do is I'll leave that video linked below if you want to see it. If you want to see it, you can. But it's so funny because at that time I wasn't really talking about Matt on my social media. He wasn't a secret, but I didn't really talk about him a lot. So yeah, I'll leave that video linked below if you want to see what Matt got me last year for Christmas. I'm all ready to go to the hospital. I just changed my bottoms to leggings. I'm going to put this on. Can't wait to get Baxter off. You know, when I'm baking and things, he's just always in the way. Usually I'm just sitting still, but today I felt like I had more energy than I did yesterday. My feet feel really bad though. Like, you know how I had the numbness in my fingers? I've now got it in my feet and I don't like that feeling. Like, so I keep thinking if I walk a little bit, I'll get more blood to my feet. I would love a foot massage. I would absolutely love a foot massage. But yeah, I'm going to put Baxter in here. Will I laugh? I got a package sent and Amma opened it and she said, you're going to laugh at it. I wonder what it is. Who's it from? What is it, Amma?
Very nice present.
Oh, I think Matt bought it for me. I shouldn't have opened it.
What's it?
I think it's from Matt. I think it might be a stocking filler. But it said my name on it, so I was allowed to open it. I think he got me a stocking filler. I think it's, yeah, it's definitely Matt. Oh, I love it though. I absolutely love it. Oh, he knows me so well. He got me a little mixed stationery set with paper clips, ball pins and push pins, and it's rose gold. I'm going to put this away because I think it's meant to be a stocking filler present. But it had my name on it, so I thought it was okay to open it. Whoopsie. Oh dear, he can still wrap it up for me. I'll still be excited when I get it. So, because, oh gosh, I feel bad. I feel so bad. I've just opened one of my presents. Oh my, Matt bought it for me, but I opened it. We opened it.
What's that?
It's a stationery set, but let's put it away. Let's put it back. No, we will tell him. We will tell him. Basically, I told you guys, didn't I, that the fuse near the electrician's area, the fuse on my, the fuse where you plug the washing machine and the dryer isn't working, and I thought it was the washing machine, so I called the, my washing machine's actually Bosch, so I called the company and they're going to come out, so I need to call them and say don't come because it's actually the electrician's fault. Well, I don't know whose fault it is really. Oh, what boring conversation I'm having with you. I'm waiting, my sister and Aston are going to come, they're getting their kitchen done in their house. My camera stopped working. Because we've all had such a rough year and I feel like my family have gone through a lot because of me. I want, whenever anyone comes to my house, I want them to feel just super cozy, just super Christmassy. I want the house to smell like, I'm happy that the banana bread's in the oven because the house smells divine. And I just want this place to be a cozy space because every time people were coming in September, October, it was such a sad time because I was diagnosed in September, right? And to be honest, September, October, November, December. So it's been 4 months and I feel like we're all handling it really well. In the 4 months, so much has happened and I feel super close to my family and friends. Like, I feel so close to everyone and that's a nice feeling, you know? I feel like we've all gotten really close over this whole time. Usually, we're all so busy with work and life and we only see each other for Christmas and birthdays and weekends, whereas now we're all spending so much time together. So that's a positive out of all of this. Like, we've become so much closer with our family and friends and I've become a lot closer to my YouTube family and yeah, so much positivity has come out of this and I just can't wait for all this to be over and for you guys to be part of my new journey. I just can't wait to get my life back. Honestly, I can't wait for the day where I don't have to go to the hospital as much and not having that constant fear of what's going to happen next. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I do have I have moments where I'm like scared and I'm like, what's gonna happen? But I really just think if I take every day as it comes, that's all I can do. I can't really think about what's gonna happen in 2 months. I can't think about what will happen to me after I have surgery. Will I need radiation? I can't think like that. I just have to live every single day. And that's how I'm getting through it. Honestly, if I think too far ahead, I honestly get really upset and I like cry and I panic and I stress. Whereas if I just think about today and tomorrow, I can handle life. I feel like I've got this. We've got this. We got this. Aston, hi! Hi, Aston! Hi! You're not saying hi, or you're not even talking to me. Can I show you something? Come on, I'll show you something me and Amma did today. What can you smell? What can you smell? Have a look here. Chitin baked something, Aston. Hold on, it's very hot. Come out. Guys, it smells incredible in here. Like the whole house smells like banana bread. Does it smell nice in here?
Yeah.
Do you like it, Aston?
Not banana bread.
Do you like banana bread?
I don't know.
You want to try some? I think it might be ready, guys. Ooh, that looks Perfect. That's 1. Counting. That's good. 2. How old are you, Aston? 4. Oh no, I only made 3. Wow, Aston, that looks fantastic. So this one looks a bit big, but that's fine. But these 2 look perfect. We'll keep this one here and then we'll drop these 2 off. It's very dark outside. What time is it? It's only like, it's like 5 o'clock and it's very dark. So this is the hospital. So you guys know this shot. I'm going to the hospital. I'm going to get Baxter removed. Cycle 4 done. Oh look, they've got a Christmas tree. That's new. Oh look, can you guys see? They've got a Christmas tree and Christmas lights.
Oh, nice.
How cute. I didn't see that last time. I'm going to put that mask on now. Just, removing Baxter, no blood test.
Okay.
Bye, mummy. I'll be very quick, I think.
Bye, bye.
Bye, my love
Bye,
you.
love you. Bye, bye, bye.
We got this.
We got this. We got this.
I'm back here, getting Baxter removed. I'm a little bit late, but I don't think it will be too busy, so I think they'll remove it quite quickly. Hopefully it's not busy in there. Medical day unit. Bye, Baxter. Thank you.
Is that okay,
Yeah,
sweetheart?
that's
Yeah.
Okay, I'm all done. Honestly, everyone I meet at the MDU, like everyone's so special. They're so nice to me. All the nurses, all the staff. I'm gonna have to come back on Monday with like a Christmas card in my hamper. I'm gonna sort that out this weekend. I've decided I need to do it. I have to do it because I'm not gonna be back till after Christmas now. So I wanna do it before Christmas. Thanks, Emma. Very quick, wasn't it? They're so good, Omar. They're such good staff. They're so nice. Oh, the lighting's awful. On our way now to my aunt's house, and then we're going to go to my other aunt's house. We've got 2 banana breads to drop off. We're standing outside Mimi Mama's house, Midland's house. They're having house renovations done, so I don't want to see it because we're trying to keep it, we want to see it as a surprise. So I'm just waiting for him to come out. This is the banana bread. It's nice and warm. It's still warm, isn't it, Ma?
Still warm.
It's still nice and warm. Look at my lighting situation. I don't know if you'll like it.
Okay, maybe Mama.
Say hi.
Hello.
Wait, can I
Can't
see you?
see me. Too dark.
Wait, you come this side.
What's going on? What is this light?
This is my setup.
Wow, that's really cool. My glasses are really reflecting on.
Oh,
look at the
hi.
shadow.
I'm not coming now. My teacher's here. Come and say hi. You can look what I baked you. It's a surprise. There's my teacher.
Thanks for warning us.
Have a little open pananga.
What is this? Are you like Santa Claus?
Smell it. No.
It's fine.
Did you make it?
Yeah.
Is it banana bread?
Oh, no hugs.
No. Huh? What is this?
The banana bread.
Oh, that's what I thought. I was like, what else do you make?
Yeah, that's the only thing I know how to bake. Matt's home from work. Look at him. I really missed you, darling. Mwah. Stop it. Stop tickling me, darling. Come on, let's go in. It's cold. Oh. Does he have this? No, he doesn't, does he?
No.
Carnotaurus. Give it for Christmas. Wow.
No,
That's a present for Asti. Oh, open mouth. Open mouth. Oh, he's going to love
Oh, and
that.
it does something else. Oh, this here as well. The head turns like that.
Leave it there because he's at home at
Will
the
he be
moment.
scared of that?
I don't know. No, he'll love that. He'll absolutely love that. It's Asti, one of the presents for Asti. Electrician came straight away, so I'm just going to give him a box of chocolates. I think he'll like that. Hold on. Darling, I'll give him this, yeah?
What, the whole thing?
Is that okay?
Does he need paid?
Yeah, he's been paid, but just give him this, yeah? Who? The electrician. Baxter's gone, Baxter's gone, Baxter's gone, Baxter's gone, Baxter's gone, Baxter's gone. I haven't even tried any yet. Should we try it together?
Yeah. You haven't tried it?
I haven't tried it.
Hold on, get it proper now.
Yeah? Okay, let's see. Oh, it's very bright, isn't it? The lighting might be better. So Matt's cutting it properly.
Oh.
Any first impressions? Does it smell good?
Yeah, it smells good. I can smell
Look,
it.
Baxter's gone. Look, I've got a free arm now. You can cuddle me properly. Should we cut a little bit and then try it? I haven't had any
Did you
yet.
not want a full? Do you want a full slice or not?
Oh yeah, we can try it. Yeah, we'll have a full slice each.
Am I paying for one slice?
Yeah, one slice. I'm here, Gamma. Come through. Come here. You guys might need to crouch down a little. Okay, cheers. I'm not even just saying that. That is delicious. I put a little bit
It
more.
is pretty good.
Is it good? It's nice and soft.
Very good, nice.
How much would you pay for a slice?
Crispy on the side.
Mama, help me.
This slice, 150. This small,
Okay, a proper slice.
proper slice and
For a slice that size.
4 pound.
£4 with a cup of tea.
Oh, yeah,
That
Yeah?
size.
How much would you pay, darling?
4 pound.
Oh, thanks, Amma.
£2.50.
Wow. With a cup of tea as well?
Oh, with the tea?
Yeah.
£3 with the tea.
I would pay, honestly, £2.50 for a slice. That's yummy. Guys, I'll leave the ingredients down below. It's so easy to make. Just put it all in one bowl and mix it. I've got a cold sore on this side. I don't know if you noticed.
yeah.
Did you notice it when you came in?
No, I don't.
Okay guys, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow for another Vlogmas video. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe and be part of my YouTube family. I love you all so much. My Instagram is tiffanythinks. See you tomorrow. Bye. Matt, can I say bye?
Bye.
Bye.